Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make succulent plant settings in a bowl, right? And it will be so beautiful and it will be very useful. But before that, you subscribe our channel. That is my main motto. And plus the knowledge I want to give to your people. What is succulent plants and how to make it, how to make the beautification like that. All right, we are going to start it. For that one, I need little bit, decoration stones, and like the stones, little bit moss, little bit mulch, different succulent plant. See, this is all different succulent plants. All right. So now I'm going to bring the bowl, and I'll put the soil, and I will decorate it. Just watch it. Bring that. First, we fill the soil. This is the soil, we call potting soil. Then, we put some mulch like this, all right? And then, I put succulent plants like this. See how nice it is looking? And some succulent plants. This is also another type of succulent plants. We put it in, this is, it's a bowl, soil, then succulent plants, and then mulch. Then I put little bit stones to make the beautification, and some moss for the beautification, and some stones. See? Like we are cooking the curries, like that it is. Okay, different flavor we put in the curry, So like that, different flavor, like mulch and succulent plants, stones, different. And just see how it looks like. It's a beautiful look for the hotel reception table or the home or the office, wherever you want, and with the less maintenance, okay? Because weekly we need little bit water in this. That is the speciality of the succulent plants. It holds the potting soil hold the water. So don't put in much water, and watch it, and subscribe us and comment. Thank you so much. Bye. See you next time.